Hi friends, this is Nageshwar. Welcome to my channel ITbot 143. In this tutorial, I will show how to add the sidebar using CSS in our web page. In my previous tutorial, we have added the main section with some content. To add the sidebar, come to HTML and type div space class equal to sidebar hyphen right, and please add a closing tag for div. For example, if you have created sidebars in left side and right side, so to identify them and writing a appropriate CS to that section, I'm adding right beside the sidebar. I want to add a header to the sidebar, h2 space recent uploads, and please close the header. And below this, I want to show titles of the recent uploads. After this, come to CSS and please type dot sidebar hyphen right, open curly braces and close the curly braces. I will keep the same background, margin, border radius, padding and color. I want to change the font size to 105%. Save the CSS, come to HTML, save this and come to web page, reload. We got a sidebar section which is spread all over the page, but I want to keep this in right side. For that, come to CSS. Here I want to add a new element, float right. Float property specifies how an element should float, and when we use float we need to use the width element. Here I'm taking 260 pixels. I want to show the sidebar in 260 pixel wide window. Save the CSS, come to HTML, save this and come to web page, reload, and we got the sidebar, but it is not side by side to the main section because I have not given the width attribute to the main section so that it will occupy the entire page. Here the browser will paint header first, then navigation bar, main section, and then sidebar. If I move the sidebar above the main section, let's see what will happen. Come to HTML. I want to cut this and paste above the main section. Save this, come to web page, reload. Sidebar occupy the space within the main section, but I want to show this as a separate section. So come to HTML, bring back this below the main section. First I want to resize the main section. Come to CSS. Here in place of margin, I want to enter margin left 10 pixel and margin right 320 pixel, margin top 10 pixel, margin bottom 10 pixel. Save the CSS, come to HTML, please save this and come to web page, reload. Now we have successfully reduced the main section. In CSS, for the margin section we have selected 320 for the margin right because we need to consider the width of the sidebar, padding on right and left sides and margin in left and right sides. And after that, come to HTML. Now let's move the sidebar to above the main section. Save the HTML, come to CSS, save this. After that, come to web page and reload. We got the main section and sidebar side by side, and notice that margin above the sidebar is more than the main section. To resolve that, come to CSS and come to Sidebar. Here in place of margin we need to type margin left 10 pixel and margin right 10 pixel, margin top 0 pixel and margin bottom 10 pixel. Save the CSS, come to web page and reload. Now the main section and sidebar is sized nicely in the web page, and here I want to add a style to the header in the sidebar. Come to CSS and please type H2. I want to select the font size 120% and color red, and close this. Save the CSS, come to web page, reload. Like this, we can add the sidebar using CSS in our web page. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please click on like button and please share this video with your friends. And please visit my channel itbot143 to watch more latest uploaded videos. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you friends. Have a nice day.